Hi everyone, quick update. For those who watch this channel regularly, you'll know that I posted a video of a robbery here in March. Well, we had another robbery in late April. Since then, I've gone a bit mad. So one of the things that was lacking here was that this part on the right hand side, that wasn't there, and I needed to build that up because the nitties were jumping over this bit. And then I went with a razor wire, big deterrent. But the other thing is that I've had a massive problem with Royal Mail. I mean, Amazon's a bit like fly tipping, and Royal Mail, you never see them from one week to the next. So I put this out here. I was worried that the nitties might use it as a step to jump up there. So, well, the first thing is you've got this little warning and a camera. So this isn't an invitation to any nitties out there to try it out, please don't, but I really am trying to avoid any such situations.